back in the kitchen today to make Jamaican jerk chicken. Yes guys, Jamaican jerk chicken it is. And I already have my chicken washed and cleaned and ready to be seasoned. So let me go ahead and show you guys the seasoning that I will be using today. So I got my little plate and I will be adding some black pepper, some complete seasoning, and you use the amount you want, guys. Then I'm gonna add some Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, my favorite. And I'm gonna add some Jamaican jerk seasoning. And this is the seasoning that you gotta use to give you that jerk flavor. Tastes so good. And that's it, guys. So that's all my seasoning, and I'm going to combine them together. Here, my complete seasoning, my black pepper. I'm gonna go ahead, put the seasoning under the skin. I'm just gonna drizzle that a little bit under there. We have 4 pieces, drizzle it under there. You wanna get the seasoning underneath, not just the skin. Drizzle it under there. Last piece. Drizzle in. Right, now we have all that seasoning under the skin. Just gonna flip it. And add the rest of the seasoning on this side. Get everything nice and seasoned. Then I'm going to come in with my Walker's Wood. And this is very overpowering, so I don't want a lot of it. Just a little bit amount. Just rub that in. Just a little touch, rub that in there. And make sure your hands is well washed and clean while you're doing this. You don't want to use dirty hands on your food. And that's that. Like I said, I don't want a lot of this water because it's very overpowering. Then I'm going in with a little bit of browning. Just to give them a nice color. You don't want a lot of that because this is overpowering too. More. And I'm also gonna add a little lemon juice, you know, just to give it a little kick. And I put the lemon juice in this little plate that I have my seasoning in. Right, just like that. With the lemon juice. Wow, that looks so good. And I also have some garlic and pepper. Wow, it's spicy. And I'm gonna also put that under the skin. Wow, look at that, guys. Now the seasoning. Right, put that under the skin. I said it's spicy, it's spicy. under there. Some more peas. Under the skin. Wow. And you don't have to use hot pepper if you're not a fan of pepper, but I am a fan of loving hot pepper. Everything hot pepper. Alright guys, and that's it. I'm gonna just put this in this juice here, the lemon juice, to just marinate for 3 hours. I transfer my chicken to a wider bowl, a wider pan, so I can have it sit in the juice and get all that seasoning into the meat while it marinates. And I'm gonna just cover it with some foil paper and put it in the fridge to marinate. So yes guys, I put my meat in the fridge to marinate, not outside.
The next day.
Okay guys, so my chicken is ready for the grill, and as you can see, the Italian putting the chicken on the grill. Yep, and we're just gonna close it up and let it jerk. And we normally just jerk our chicken for an hour tops. If you want it to be a little bit more dry, then you can jerk it for another 10-20 minutes. Depending on the heat, how high your flames are. Alright, I'm gonna just flip that around. And look how pretty those look. And we're just gonna keep flipping them from side to side. Guys, these look so good and they smell so good and they taste so good, guys. Keep watching for the final result. You will be proud. The younger you stay, the closer you are to your roots. That's the reason I know I can teach you how to hit the skies, rise above them without getting high. But if it help a bit, take a little hit, take a little sip, put your mind at ease. Swear you got the keys, you can have your dreams. That's up to you, not what others believe. Jeez, I swear that's the part that took longest for me. Cause when I drop into a beat, I detach from the world, view it under my feet, orbit around my dreams, and there I perceive my reality and what it means. Music is where I can breathe, the world in between. What I am, what I was, what I will be. It's the only place that I feel free. Hope you feel me. I'm just gonna move those around because the fire been high and some is more cooked. So if you got that problem, you just switch it around, switch them around on the grill so everybody can just cook at once. All right, looks so good. So I am the one flipping these, so I'm just gonna flip them like that. They look so gorgeous and ready to eat. All right, close it, give it some more time. Yes guys, and they're almost done. Please guys, like this video, please share this video. Yes guys, and please, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And those are looking scrumptious. Just look at that. Yep guys, and we're all done. So good. Yes guys, ready to eat. Thank you guys for watching.